Hey friend, it's day 5, the final day of the 5-day email course, Your Confident Lettering Style. I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and my goal is to help you live your most confident life through hand lettering. Day 5 is awesome because we are finally creating words and phrases with the alphabet that we just created. We are bringing it all together. So today you'll want to make sure that you have the practice sheets from earlier in this week and brush pen of your choice. If you have not yet signed up for the email portion of this course, it's in the description box below. Sign up, you get free practice sheet every day with extra tips and links to these videos. And if you're wondering what the next step is after this video lesson, stick around to the end and I will let you know what's coming next. Let's jump in. I am first going to make sure that I have my alphabet that I created yesterday right next to me while I create the words and phrases for today's lesson. And then because my alphabet requires a higher midline, I will go ahead and trace that out with a ruler so I have my guidelines to help me. We are going to be combining basically everything that you learned this week. So specifically thinking back to day 2, the 3 basic rules, talking about size, angle, and spacing. Think about that as you are connecting your letters. You can see that my letters here, they connect at the same place in between each letter. And it's totally okay if you have to letter out the word several different times. You're going to letter with me, create confident lettering style. If you are going to be switching up any of the 3 rules, size, angle, or spacing, just make sure that you are intentional with what you're changing so that it can be consistent throughout your whole word. Just know why you're changing it and be proud of what you came up with. Because there's no right or wrong way, nobody can tell you this is exactly the way that it should look. This is you, this is your creation. That's what makes it so exciting. You get to decide with the basics that we know, then you get to come up with it yourself. After lettering these words alone, I will show you how I put them all together. But in the meantime, I'll tell you that I packed as much great info as I could in these 5 days. But I have so much more to teach you about connections, composition, breaking the rules, bouncy lettering, color, and gaining even more confidence in your lettering style. I can tell you from personal experience, gaining confidence in my lettering has turned into having more confidence in every aspect of my life. Hearing from others that I've taught, I am positive that it can do that for you too. And that's why I created Your Confident Lettering Style, the complete course. If you learned anything this week, just imagine how much more you'll learn in the complete course with everything that I know. I'm laying it all out on the table for you. But now let's go ahead and finish up this phrase. We're going to letter create your confident lettering style. If you need to draw some guidelines and then erase them later, that's okay. I chose to do freehand, and I'm sure it's not as straight as if I were using guidelines. Don't feel like you can't use guidelines. It's just a place where if you use pencil, then you can erase it. And then look at this phrase that you just lettered and be proud of it. We all have so much more to learn, but take a moment and be grateful for all the things that you have learned this week. Compare yourself to where you were 5 days ago and then push yourself to get even better in the next 5 days. It's completely pointless to compare yourself to anybody else. You're not always going to see the progress that you've made until a lot later, but I promise you, if you keep practicing, you will make progress. And in the meantime, it's something you have to consciously remind yourself of to not let it get you down. Think about that as you practice today and commit to 15 minutes like the rest of this week. If you want to share your practice on Instagram, use the hashtag #ConfidentLetteringStyle. And be sure to click the link below to see the details of the course. There is an ebook option if you mostly preferred the worksheets, or the regular course if you liked the video lessons along with the worksheets. If you found this helpful, you can help me by sharing it with a friend and commenting below your favorite part. I want to thank you for joining this 5-day course, and I'm so excited to see your progress. Get ready to create your confident life one letter at a time. I hope to see you in my course. If not, I'll see you on Instagram at Ensign Insights or in my next video.